next one's a good one. This one is the category of indie. The nominees are Brooklyn Sound. They're in the indie seats. Couple-ish. Disposable Teens. Made in Mosjøen. And Muzzled the Musical.
And the Streamy goes to Brooklyn Sound. Yay! Come on up, come on up. Your Streamy Award awaits you.
Thank you guys. This show is such a labor of love from an amazing crew. Definitely an indie project. Low budge, a lot of heart, just trying to make this show happen. So this is shared with an amazing cast and crew who all gave us their time and talents during a freezing cold February week in Brooklyn. Specifically, my co-creator, partner in crime, Noel Carey, who will be here partying on Tuesday. Our director-editor, Drew Van Steenbergen. Our DP, Matt Figler. These two up here, producer Andrew Murky. Our brilliant makeup artist, Lily Kate Maz, who transformed us into a million different people. Just a really cool, fun crew, and this is so cool. So let's all hang out and party. Thanks.
Thank you, Mom.